Claus. Tea and cakes were served. They laughed and chatted happily. What a treat he earned. Santa smiled and showed Ozzie something special too. A secret magic Christmas key just for Ozzie. Woohoo! Christmas time, Santa all the way. Hey, hey, hey! Fun and cheer and Christmas joy on this sunny day. Hey, hey, hey! Christmas time, hip hip hooray. Hey, hey, hey! Sing along with Ozzie now, it's Christmas time, hooray! Off they went to the toy shop, shelves from floor to sky. Trucks and trains and teddy bears as Ozzie's eyes grew wide. He picked out toys for friends and fun, rang a bell, ding ding. Christmas shopping at Christmas time, what a joyful thing. Christmas time, Santa all the way. Hey, hey, hey! Fun and cheer and Christmas joy on this sunny day. Hey, hey, hey! Christmas time, hip hip hooray. Hey, hey, hey! Sing along with Ozzie now, it's Christmas time, hooray! Out they went to find a tree, standing tall and green. Ozzie said, this one right here is the best I've seen. Chop, 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 it fell down. Timber, yippee-yee! Home they took the Christmas tree for all the world to see. Christmas time, Santa all the way. Hey, hey, hey! Fun and cheer and Christmas joy on this sunny day. Hey, hey, hey! Christmas time, hip hip hooray. Hey, hey, hey! Sing along with Ozzie now, it's Christmas time, hooray! Lights and baubles, tinsel too, candy canes so bright. Ozzie hung the decorations till the tree looked just right. Up on top, the star went high. Ozzie stepped back proud. Look at our Christmas tree, he said, smiling big and loud. Christmas time, Santa all the way. Hey, hey, hey! Fun and cheer and Christmas joy on this sunny day. Hey, hey, hey! Christmas time, hip hip hooray. Hey, hey, hey! Sing along with Ozzie now, it's Christmas time, hooray! Later when the day was done, cozy, calm and sweet, Ozzie read his Christmas books with cozy socks on his feet. Stories filled with joy and cheer, a perfect way to end Christmas books with Ozzie, his favorite time, my friend. Christmas time, Ozzie all the way. Hey, hey, hey! Santa toys, a tree and books make the best Christmas day. Hey, hey, hey! Christmas time, hip hip hooray. Hey, hey! Merry Christmas from Ozzie and have a joyful day.
Oh, g'day kids, it's Ozzie here, and you're just in time. Been a busy morning out there selecting this specific tree from Willie's Christmas tree farm. We chopped it down, we brought it home. Now it's time to set it up, but we need to stand it up. So thank you very much for arriving at the right time. You're going to help me. Ready? Right, on three, lifting without knees. 1, 2, 3, go kids, go, that's it, go, lift, lift. All right, tree is in place. Needs some decorations, but let's bring a bit of Christmas cheer. Ozzie needs a Christmas hat. Now I'm feeling Christmassy. And I can't decorate this tree all by myself. I mean, I could. It's not going to be very fun, is it? Bring in the kids! Woo! Welcome, guys. Thank you very much. Who's ready to decorate the Christmas tree? Let's go. That's looking awesome, kids. How fun is decorating a Christmas tree? Who's excited for Christmas? Me! Yeah, so am I. I'm gonna get the lights. All right, kiddos, the lights are on. How are we looking? Right. I'll tell you what's looking really good, kids. From about here down. But what's happening to the top? There's none there. That's why we need the big kids, the adults, the grown-ups, all the tall kids out there to reach the top section. So I'm gonna do this top section. I'm also gonna spread some of these out. So when they're sitting really close, we wanna make sure that they're all over the tree. So spread some of those out. What do you reckon? I tell you what, kids, you've done an amazing job. This tree is looking pretty special. What do you think? Do you love it?
Yes.
There's one more thing that we need to do. Something's missing. What usually goes on the very top of the Christmas tree?
Star.
A star. Has anybody got a star that I can put on? Ollie, thank you so much. That is a beautiful star. I'm going to stand on this stool, go all the way to the top. Put that star right up here. There you go, the star is on. Now there is one more thing to do. Remember I wrapped the lights around it before? Let's turn the lights on and check it out. So you can see the Christmas lights there. They're flashing. They look amazing, but they're going to look even better when it's dark. Let's hit the lights. Look at that. That is beautiful. Hit those lights again. Nice. So I hope everyone here and everyone at home and all around the world is super excited for Christmas. I know I am. I can't wait to see this bottom of the tree start to fill up with Christmas presents over December, and on Christmas Day, wake up and come and unwrap presents, but most importantly, giving presents to our friends, family and loved ones, because there's nothing better than giving at Christmas time. Kids, have a great Christmas here and at home. We'll see you on another brand new episode of Ozzie this weekend. Until then, stay keen and Merry Christmas. If you haven't already, make sure you get a grown-up to help you hit that subscribe button. That way you won't miss out on any of the new and exciting videos that we put out. Speaking of new and exciting, if there's a video that you'd love to see Ozzie do, make sure you send us a message on our socials. on Facebook or Instagram at Aussie for Kids. We'll see you again soon, kids. And until then, stay keen. Oh, and by the way, did you happen to find the hidden Aussie icon in that video? Yeah, make sure you look closely because they're in every single video. That's right. Stay keen, kids.
Aussie, 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 oi! Ozzie is a friend of yours and he's a friend of mine.